my name is Dr. Smith, aka Island Doc, and thank you for stopping by. As the title of this video says, we're talking all things lock moisture because locks can get very dry, hella dry, and it's very important for you to have a nice lock moisture routine. It took me a while to figure out what works for me. Keep in mind, what works for me may not work for you, but I just want to let you know what I do. So there's 3 things you definitely need to keep your locks nice and moisturized, especially if you got color like me. So first thing I like to have is some level of moisture. So whether it be water or some sort of mist, like this is my absolute favorite mist. It is Trini's hair and body mist. It smells amazing and it gives a lot of nice moisture to that hair. I don't know what's in it. So it has witch hazel, water, coconut oil, prickly pear, are a few things, some 80 plus nutrients and minerals, vitamins and proteins. I absolutely love this hair mist. You see I'm already almost done with this. Every time I go to heat does my hair every month, so every time I get my hair done I get another one because this does wonders for like the moisture in my hair. But when I don't have anything, if I run out of this and I'm not able to get one from him, what I do is I get like a spritzer bottle. I have water in here, my favorite leave-in conditioner, and then a little bit of my favorite oil and shake it up together. And that helps to get some moisture back to my hair. It works really well for me. I don't know if you're supposed to do that, but I do that all the time and it kind of helps to get that moisture back to my hair. So this is a good one. Also too, in terms of like refreshing, when you're refreshing to get that moisture back too, what I do like to have is some sort of like mild cleanser for my scalp because, you know, with debris and dust and product buildup, that can be a thing. And I really love this Perfect Clean Style Refresher Spray. It is amazing. My scalp feels very fresh and clean. It absorbs a lot of the oils. So this is a good buy. Good buy. I got it at a influencer event and I didn't think it was gonna work on locks. So I was like, this for y'all other people. This is not for me. But it works so good. Like you see, I already got down here and I just got this like 2 weeks ago. So obviously it's something I use all the time. So it's called the Perfect Clean Style Refresher Spray by Nature Lab. Amazing. Gotta have it. Another thing I forgot to mention in terms of like water and mist and all that, you can use rose water too. I use rose water all the time when I actually have it on my person. So that's a good one to kind of get moisture, and you can mix that rose water with a little bit of vitamin E oil and some water. Perfect mist if you don't want to buy like a whole special mist. You can get something like that. So yeah, rose water is fantastic as well. Now, the second thing you need to have is some sort of oil. You need an oil. So the issue I noticed a lot of people do is they put the oil first and then spray the hair. You do not. You're not helping, because the point of having some level of oil is to kind of lock in the moisture into your locks. And so right now my favorite oil is the African Ply Black Castor Oil Miracle. Love this oil. It works wonders on my scalp, especially if you have issues with like dry scalp. My hair loves castor oil in general, so anything with a little castor oil, my hair really, it's like, it gets all soft and it's all good and stuff. But this particular Black Castor Oil Miracle has obviously black castor oil, tea tree oil, and soybean oil. So very good combination. Your hair is gonna be really soft and your scalp itself is gonna be nice and moisturized. Very good, very good. So if you haven't gotten some level of oil already, do that. Also too, for like my ends, I do have a little oil mixture here. I can't remember exactly what I put in this, but I think it has castor oil and vitamin E oil, and I use that for the ends of my hair when it's really dry, after I've sprayed it obviously. But I have a little more lock moisture oil for my ends of my hair. But you can also use this for the ends of your hair too, but I typically use this on my scalp, and some days I use it all over my locks, but it just depends on how clean my hair is. If my hair is on the cleaner end, I'll stick with something like this, a little bit light usage. But when it's time for me to get my hair done, I go a little heavy with this because my hair at that point is usually kind of dry because life be life and life be busy. So yeah, that's 2. So there's one more. 1 second. All right, I'm back. And now the last thing you need is a good bonnet. Bonnet gang, stand up. A good bonnet. My hair is a little bit longer, so I do have the extra long one, which works perfectly because when I try to wear the short ones with my long locks, by the time I wake up, it's on the side of the pillow next to me. But get a nice silk bonnet to kind of keep that moisture in. if your locks is rubbing against that cotton fabric, it's gonna dry up. And you'll pour a little locks and be your locks will be crying out for some water. So like you need a good bonnet, a nice good silk bonnet, and a scarf. A scarf is for your edges. I usually tie down my edges first and then throw this over it. I need double protection. You may not need double protection, but for me and my hair, if I don't do the bonnet combo, it'll be on the pillow next to me. But you definitely need something to hold that moisture, protect your locks from the dryness of the cotton fabric or your pillow and all that stuff. So yeah, so overall, let's sum it up together. So yeah, so just to recap, so you need some level of moisture, whether that be a mist, just plain old water, or water mixed with like a leave-in conditioner. You need something to kind of get moisture to that hair. Next, number 2, you want to lock in that moisture with some type of oil, whether that be the African pied oil or some black castor oil, any sort of oil, except for like peppermint oil because that can be a little bit drying. But you need some little oil to kind of lock in the moisture and seal the moisture into the locks. And then lastly, you need a good old bonnet to protect it from your pillow and your sheets and all that stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did find it helpful, like, subscribe, share with a friend. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. If there's anything else you wanted me to discuss in terms of locks, just let me know. I love doing these videos. Like I said, I keep saying it over and over again, like a scratch record, but I do. I feel like the more I do these videos, the more comfortable I get just chatting with you guys and creating that relationship. So I hope you guys enjoy and you have a great day. Take care of those locks now. No more dry locks. Leave that in 2024. Moving into 2025, locks are moisturized and taken care of. Yeah. See you.